How to look better in front of the camera. If you're going to be in front of the camera, pay attention to the following to help you look your best. If you get this all correct, you are sure to have a higher quality video no matter what the purpose is. For clothing, wear clothing appropriate to the brand or position you represent. This could be anything from a three-piece suit, a funny costume, or a printed t-shirt with the name of your organization. Make sure you're comfortable and you will look more confident. For hair, be neat and professional. I don't have a definition for professional hair. Just make sure that you went to the hairdresser if one is not on set. If you're filming outdoor, take some steps to eliminate hair flying around wildly and covering your face. This does not mean that every video needs a sleek and layered hair. For the skin, eliminate shine that may cause any glare on camera. A touch of powder can work well for both men and women who are involved in video. You can also use a product like an oil-blotted paper sheet to remove excess of oil or sweat with or without makeup. For posing, keep it natural. You could sit behind a desk, lounge in a chair, walk down a path in a park slowly, or anything else that suits your needs. For jewelry, avoid excessive flashy jewelry that may cause glare or distraction. In general, jewelry should not disrupt video production. For music, background track should be added by the videographer during the editing process. If music is playing near the filming location and you cannot turn it down, always make sure that the spokesperson voice can be clearly heard above it. I've asked many times to close PA system connecting to the radio. That limit issue with licensing. Giving a pro tip, and you can hear in the background a Celine Dion, My Heart Will Goes On track. Music in the background also limit editing possibility. The cut will be easily noticeable. For props, only use props that make sense. A corporate training video could use a whiteboard with a pointer for quick demonstration. Avoid using things that serve no real purpose for your video. With this tip, you will be sure to present a professional image in your video no matter what industry you are in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.